Hi guys, it's me again, Alex, calling in from Lebanon. So we've just had a very nice first week behind us. It was really fun getting to know each other and getting to know the country most of all. Lebanon is amazing. It's beautiful. The people are super nice and the landscapes are super nice. Like, we're right by the sea and you can watch the sunsets, and really just everything is beautiful and I don't ever want to come home. So in this episode, I just thought I would take you maybe a little bit around the hotel, show you a little bit of that. And yeah, you get to meet one of my co-working mates, and yeah, just explain to you a little bit more about the trip, what we are doing, and then yeah, go from there. So as you can see, this is my little hotel balcony, which is super nice. I love sitting here in the sun, and the hotel is situated on a small road, and as you can see, the sun is shining. I hope you can see something, but yeah, basically just over there behind those fields is the seaside, so it's super close, and there's these beautiful flowers everywhere in Lebanon, like beautiful plants, beautiful flowers, and I really love it. And this is my hotel room, so super spacious, a nice bed, and lots of space to do everything that you need to do and get everything done that you need to get done. A nice little bathroom as well. Oh, it's blinking a lot. And yeah, it's really got everything that you might need. So I thought I'd just explain to you how our day-to-day life looks. So basically we wake up, of course we all have our own room, which is super nice, and then I usually have breakfast, and then I go downstairs where we have our co-working space, which I showed you in last week's episode, and then we all sit down and yeah, work until lunchtime. At lunchtime we usually go out for some nice lunch somewhere. I mean, the food in Lebanon is amazing. Then we get back, then we continue working, and then we usually go out for food and drinks in the evening or something. And yeah, that's basically a day in our co-working trip. Yeah, I will let you meet my TripMate Anna in a second now. Right guys, so I am here with the other TripMate, Anna. You might know her from a lot of other JoinMyTrip trips. She is basically one of our most traveled trip leaders. She is a co-working expert. She has done a lot of co-working experiences already. So Anna, why don't you share a little bit about your experience with our viewers?
Yeah, so I arrived a few days ago in Lebanon, and I have to say, it's a great place to work. We have a really nice hotel, and we have a really nice space for us where we can work, and after work we can always enjoy the sunset. We can walk to the beach. It's super close, and also like in our lunch breaks we can go for a nice lunch in a nice restaurant, because right now everything is quite cheap in Lebanon, so you can have a really nice lifestyle, let's say, for like little money. And it's just really nice to spend time here with other remote workers, and so far I've been having a good time.
Yeah, same. And if you want to see what a day in the life of a co-working person is, tune in to next week's episode, when I will take you from morning to evening of mine and Anna's day, of what we're doing, and how it is to work here when you're abroad, some tips I'll be sharing, and things like that. So see you next week. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and goodbye.